Welcome to the factory. Today I'm going to show you exactly how cheese is made, from fresh to survival for all of your chores.
Precise cultures and rennet are added to begin coagulation, the ancient science behind every great cheese. Every batch is carefully monitored for moisture content, texture, and quality. No two wheels are exactly alike. Every wheel and block is individually tested before it leaves our facility, because great cheese takes no shortcuts.
And that's exactly how cheese is made every single day right here in this factory. From fresh milk to your table, every step matters.